Hey everyone, this is Fred Long here, team leader of the F&L Group with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Connections, and we are so excited to share with you our newest listing. Located in Gary, Indiana, in the Miller Beach section, the address is 8040 Avenue. Come take a look. Sherelle, take it away.
Hello, my name is Sherelle Combs. This is my listing and I'll be showing you around. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, bi-level home. Here's your living room. Largely sized. You can have your living room on one side and your dining area on the other side if you choose to. Can you imagine yourself in this beautiful updated kitchen where this door leads out to your large backyard? Here you have the main bathroom. Next, you have the 3rd bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom that can be used for a bedroom or an office if you choose to. Here's your 2nd bedroom. And lastly, you have your primary bedroom. And here is the lower level with endless possibilities.